Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Math Textbook 2 Exercise 8.6 Question number 2. If u is function of xyz, that is equal xy square z cube, and x equal sin t, y equal to cos t, z equal to 1 plus e power 2t, find du by dt. Here given function u of x y z equal x y square z cube. Now first partial derivative will do dou u by dou x. Dou u by dou x means here with respect to x we have to differentiate, means y square z cube. Y square z cube, because x only the variable, other things constant, and dou u by dou y equal with respect to y 2y 2xy z cube, 2xy z cube, and dou u by dou z equal 3xy squared z square, 3xy squared z square. Further, we can say dou u by dou x equal, here y, x and y is given, x is sin t, y is cos t. So y square is cos square t into z cube is 1 plus e power 2t the cube, and dou u by dou y is equal 2 into x is sin t, y is cos t, and z cube is 1 plus e power 2t the cube. And next is dou u by dou z. Dou u by dou z equal 3, x is sin t, y square is cos square t, and z square is 1 plus e power 2t the square. We got. Now dx by dt, here we have x is sin t, dx by dt is cos t, dy by dt is cos t sin t minus sin t, dz by dt z is 1 plus e power t, that is differentiation is 1 is 0, then 2 e power 2t, 2 e power 2t. Now by chain rule, du by dt equal dou u by dou x dx by dt plus dou u by dou y dy by dt plus dou u by dou z dz by dt. We have to put the values here. Dou u by dou x equal, dou u by dou x is this. We have to do this one. So cos square t 1 plus e power 2t whole cube into dx by dt. Dx by dt is cos t plus dou u by dou y. Dou u by dou y is 2 sin t 2 sin t cos t 2 sin t cos t 1 plus e power 2t cube into dy by dt is minus sin t, then plus third dou u by dou z. Dou u by dou z is 3 sin t cos square 3 sin t cos square t 1 plus e power 2t all square into dz by dt is 2 e power 2t. Now by simplifying we'll get now we'll take out the common things here. Look at this, all factors. 1 plus e power 2t whole cube, here also whole cube, here whole square. So we have to take out 1 plus e power 2t, the square is common factor. Then we have cos square t into cos t is cos cube t, and here 2 sin t cos t is 2 sin cos cube t into, because it's cube we are taking out square only, 1 plus e power 2t. This first square out, then 1 plus e power 2t is common here, plus sin 2t cos t, that is you can do minus here because minus here 2 sin t cos t is sin 2t into sin t, this minus here, that is sin 2t into sin t into 1 plus e power 2t plus here 3 into 2 is 6, then sin t cos square t, sin t cos square t, and here which is 1 plus e power 2t square is out, then e power 2t, e power 2t, then this is the this one is du by dt. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.